Nature, if the nose is running, spring is coming. See? Spring is starting tomorrow!
Oh no!
So fast, Ronald. I, Nature Cat, predict that we are not done with winter just yet. I may not know what the weather will be in 6 weeks, but I can say with some confidence that we will see more snow.
Woo! It's a battle for the ages, folks. Is it an early spring, or will winter hang on?
Where'd you get your prediction, Nature Cat?
From nature, we saw the temperature drop suddenly, the wind change direction, and those dark clouds roll in. It's a recipe for snow.
That means nothing. And this is no contest. Spring! 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 Spring!
Nature, are you okay?
That's right, Nature Cat. Spring is here to...
Snow! Look!
But... It's supposed to be spring!
Thank you, Nature Cat, for your correct afternoon weather prediction!
And I could have done it with our friends.